Hey guys, welcome to this video lecture. In this video lecture, we are going to see the use of where clause in the selection statement. So let us get started. We will use Sakila database. So here we are using the Sakila database. Now we are going to write a very simple query to select all the rows from table film. And if I execute this, it is going to show us all the rows from the table film. Now this is very simple selection operation and we have seen it earlier. Now if I want to include a condition or a criteria or a filter for selection of specific rows, then I will have to use the where clause in this query. Where rental rate equals to 0.99, and if I execute it, this is the output. So here we are able to see all the films where rental rate is equal to 0.99. So this is all about the where clause. Basically, as I told you already, where clause is used for applying some sort of filter on the result set. So whatever is there in where clause, only that data will be shown in the result set. So now this is about numeric data. Now we can even filter the character data in the where clause. I'm just going to say title equals to alone trip. Probably we are going to get only one or two rows because this is the title of the movie and it is supposed to be unique. And this is the output. Yes, we have only one record where we have alone trip in the title. Okay, so this is the output of the query. So this is how we can compare the character data as it is. Now we are going to see the comparison conditions. So this is the very simple comparison condition equal to, I'm just going to say greater than 0.99, copy, and here less than 0.99. Okay, so obviously there is nothing less than 0.99, but there will be plenty of movies where rental rate is going to be more than 0.99. Similarly, we can have even greater than equal to or less than or equal to. Let me copy this, equal to and less than or equal to. So let me execute this and this is the output. This is the output. So let me copy this and paste it. So this is the not equal to condition. So this means that it is going to show us all the records that are not equal to 0.99, and there is another way of writing this. Let's execute this. So this is how we can use different comparison conditions. So this is how we can use the where clause, the equal to operator, not equal to operator, and different comparison conditions to filter out the record. We have also seen how we can use the text data in the where clause in order to filter the text fields. So thanks a lot for watching this video lecture. I hope that you understood all the points that I have explained here in this video lecture. Now I want you to go ahead and try all these type of various conditions in the where clauses for select queries on different tables in Sakila database, because we know that there are lots of tables in Sakila database, and you can definitely practice all these queries with those tables. Thanks a lot once again, and I will see you next time.